Did you know many people are having trouble with setting effects on each channel of the Flow aid? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select FX Engine. Press the FX1 or FX2 button on your Flow 8 to select an FX engine. Step 2. Set send levels. Adjust channel faders to set send levels to the FX processors for each channel. Step 3. Select FX preset. Press the menu button to browse FX presets. Select your desired effect using the Select/Adjust encoder. Step 4. Edit parameters. Access the editable parameters for your effect by pressing the menu button again, then adjust using the encoder. Step 5. Repeat and save. Repeat these steps for each channel and remember to save your configurations. Now you should be able to set up different effects for each channel seamlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Behringer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.